dhe të rive, është ngjarja më e rëndësishme e projektit i fëmijëve dhe të klasave të shqipe. Shumë faleminderit ju që keni ardhur.
I'm very glad to be here with you today. Children, young people, parents, women, men, and seniors as well. Shpresa Program Board of Trustees is very keen to hear your opinion, express needs, and based on that, we will develop our business plan. We know that we've got very hard time in front of us. As we know, many fundraising are becoming difficult every day. And that's why Shpresas has lost most funding this year. However, we know that our services are the most needed ones that touch our quality lives, and I'm sure that together we will be able to do it together, overcome all difficulties, and we're going to face ahead.
Gjithë dhe faleminderit që keni ardhur në këtë ditë kaq të bukur që mund të kishim bërë gjithë ato gjëra të tjera. Mund të kishim bajtur në park, mund të kishim shkuar jashtë Londre, në det, të gjëra sa shumë gjëra të tjera mund të kishim bërë. Faleminderit shumë edhe një herë. From outset we said we're not going to provide any service that is provided by someone else. But what we're going to do is work in partnership with them so our community could access these services. And looking at that, we had a discussion at the Board of Trustees last meeting, looking at how we can support groups of parents in this area to set up their own local organization. By doing so, we will strengthen the relationship and the partnership work, as well as we'll build charities that are really good acting and work in partnership. The other thing that
volunteers wanted more support in classes and training that they did, and we provided team meetings training as well as MVQ training.
I have learned poems in Albanian. I feel more confident speaking in Albanian. We have done a lot of quizzes and competitions. The best part is campaigning for end child detention.
Places that we haven't been before. We have felt more comfortable performing on stage in front of an audience. We have experienced different cultures of dancing that many children can now communicate better with their parents and relatives in Albania.
Provide. We still want these amazing Albanian classes with amazing teachers. We still want our traditional dance. We want to go out to different places. We want to do acting and singing. We want physical activities like self-defense. We still have in Albania. I can understand parents and the carers of children who take them.
Sa më shumë tash të ndajmë të lajmë mirë për shtator, kemi gjithë mundësinë që shkollën ta bëjmë sa më të madhe. Mendime që po na jep shkolla ku nuk punoj. Gjithë mirë, shumë faleminderit.
And I'm really grateful to all our young people for their effort, for their passion, for their determination on this cause. So an applause for everyone involved in this campaign.
Hello, my name is Yota and I would like you to vote for me first because I'm a confident person. I stand up for my rights.
We've seen such good stuff from the children. Those presentations were fantastic. And we've seen now what the adults are doing as well. And that makes a real community supplementary school. You are to be congratulated. You are one of the very best in the whole of England. And I am